Hey, what's going on, people? Tech Jamo, we out here with another set of wireless earbuds. Now, these ones are from Joy Geek. Let me just check the Amazon specs here. $28.99. They got 5% voucher that you can get as of now if you're looking to get that. 42 hours playtime, Bluetooth 5.0. It says stereo sound noise cancelling apparently. Anyway, guys, as you can see, they are kind of reminiscent of the Apple Beats Pro. You know those ones that clip onto your ear? I think they're like 250. So yeah, I thought I'll have a look at them, see what they're saying, and yeah, let's just see what I want. There we go. Get that all off. Right, okay, so this is the box. You've got some stuff going on over there. If you want to read that, you can do. You can properly see the design of the headset right there. And you've got some more stuff on the back there as well. So anyway, let's slide these out. Get that slide out. Okay, let's put that down there. That looks like the headphones in there, so we'll leave that to the side for now. Let's just see what else is inside the box. Nothing much. So inside the box, we just got looks like a USB micro USB or USB-C. Nah, micro USB cable. You've got some literature. And you got some replacement ear tips. That's cool because my ears are really small, so I always need to get the smallest pair of ear tips. And we got some English instructions on the back here. Right, okay, so let's just chuck that in there. Let's have a look at the headphones themselves. Okay, so what I'm noticing at first glance is this is WAM. This is actually WAM, fam. Like, bro, look how big it is. I can't even get focus on it at the moment. What does this button do? Is it a button? Oh, it's not a button. Okay, it's not a button. That's the hinge. So we must be this. Here we go. We have to open it from here. Okay. So that's what we're saying, guys. Those are the earphones there. They look kind of cool. They feel, oh, they're mad light. They're mad. I mean, obviously something like this doesn't look heavy in the first place. But guys, when I tell you they're mad light, yeah, they are mad light. So that goes there, and then you got something over there as well. It looks like you got a little timer thing here. Let's just take off the plastic that's on them. Yeah, it looks like the LEDs lit up. So what's really cool about these is that they tell you how much battery you've got in them, and it literally has two little charging animations either side, which is really cool. So you can tell if one is lower than the other. So yeah, I guess all there is to do now is give these a little go and see what they're saying. Let's try and put these on my ears over the glasses. Oh, okay, maybe not. That's attempt one done. Damn. Look how small my ears are, fam. Okay, that's alright. That's in, I guess. Doesn't feel really secure, but I guess it's in. Let's try the other one. Tuck that behind the earlobe. I guess first impressions, they're really noise cancelling, like passive noise cancellation. Oh. They just beeped. I'm not sure why. I haven't connected them to my phone yet. Do you know what? Let's take one out of my ear. I'm not sure which one. Is that a button? Oh, that's a button. I'm not sure. They're on pairing mode. You can see there's a little red and blue light there. So let me just have a look. Connected. Oh, yeah. Had a little connected sound. Right. So they're connected now. Let's give them a go. All right, so yeah, guys, I had a little listen to them. They're decent. They're actually quite cool. Like the bass is there, the mids is there, the treble is there, and the highs and everything. I'm not an audiophile, obviously, but I just like a lot of bass and I like a lot of clear vocals kind of thing. And if you get the combination, then for me, I call it a good headphone. Like my best headphones, as far as I'm concerned, are the Skull Crushers, the original Skull Crusher Wireless by Skullcandy, because the bass is just mad and I'm feeling the bass. The bass is cool. I like the way they kind of latch onto your ears. Even though they do have this kind of loop design going on over here, they're not that secure. Like they are secure, obviously. If I put them in my ears now, take off my glasses and shake my head, they just feel kind of loose in my ears. Maybe it's because I haven't changed to the correct size of ear cups yet or earbuds. But yeah, apart from that, they feel solid, and definitely for the price, you're gonna save a lot and not worry about losing them as much compared to the Power Beats Pro. Another thing that's really cool about them is the automatic pairing. So when you put them into the case, they obviously turn off kind of thing. And as soon as you take them out of the case, they automatically start pairing to your phone. Now, if you only want to take one out of the case and you only want to use one ear kind of thing, like the old-fashioned Bluetooth headsets, you can do that. They're cool because both sides of the headset have a microphone built into them, so you can use either of them for Bluetooth calling, basically, or mono music, if that's what you're into. For the price point, which was like what? These are 28.99, guys. 28.99 on Amazon. Proper things. Running, cycling. If you're cool with like being isolated from the sound that's going on around you, maybe late night cycling and you're not really cycling in the road, maybe that's cool for you, so you can use them. But yeah, definitely for the price, 28.99 Power Beats Pro alternatives. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Subscribe and like. We're trying to get on the road to 7,000 subscribers, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Tech Jamo out.